Woo! Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trading Signals, come to you live from Vietnam, guys. Good morning, Vietnam, guys. Howdy. It's a great time to be live, and wow. Most of you are probably looking pretty good, feeling good about crypto right now, as I am, as we see Bitcoin is up, Dogecoin is up like crazy, and this is the start of good things to come, guys, and we're going to be talking about why we're seeing a pump right now. And remember, it was reversal day. It was a reversal day yesterday, and we did have a reversal. So it's a great time to be live, guys. So let's jump in the content without any further delay. Guys, don't forget to go down there, smash the likes, show some love for the OG. I would appreciate it. And remember, the party don't get started until the OG says it's go time, guys. And it's go time. Let's get the confetti. Go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. I would really appreciate it. So what's going on? We did see that yesterday the markets were pretty good. And a lot of that was on the back of the FOMC meeting, and the Dow did rise 400 points, and that did pump up crypto, pump up most of the markets, and we see that investor confidence overall has definitely improved out there. So that is good. We did see that the Fed did say that there are going to be 3 rate cuts on the way, and we could see those starting as early as May. So that is good. In terms of announcements, governmental announcement, nothing much. We just got initial jobless claims, so nothing too much to worry about, guys. So basically, the big news is the Fed said there's going to be rate cuts, and that's going to be cool beans. Next, a big announcement is going to be May 1st, and so far, 89% said there's going to be no rate hikes out there. So that's positive. That's pretty positive. Take a look at crypto. Wow. I love to see it. You love to see it. Everything is on fire. Deep green. We're seeing Ethereum. Ethereum is up 9%. We're seeing Bitcoin is at 68,000. That's at 7.6%. So everything is blasted up. Pretty interesting. Looks like our friend Gary Gensler, the troll of crypto. It looks like he's filing against Ethereum. This is not good, so we're going to be talking about that as well. Crypto bubbles, everything is looking good. Even Floki's up 36%. Wow, I got to check out my portfolio because I got some Floki. Some Floki bonk is up. So we're seeing overall a ton of greenness out there. Even the Pepster, the Pep out there is up. So that is pretty good. I'm still holding some Pepe. I bought some Pepe. I got Floki from 2 years ago that I bought as a joke, but it's up like crazy. So let's see, guys. Hopefully I can become a billionaire with the Pepster. So right now we are seeing that the fear and greed is up. It's up 78 from 74. So people are feeling pretty good after that pump. Guys, just to kind of update you here, what's going on with ETFs. Remember, I'm going to show you that ETFs are fueling a lot of the price action for Bitcoin right now. Because for every $200 million worth of Bitcoin that's bought on the ETFs, spot ETFs, that equates to almost 1% pump for Bitcoin. So we're seeing good things happening. So we're seeing almost 4.8% of the 21 million Bitcoin is held by the ETFs. And today's value right now, that's about $68.5 billion. It's over a million Bitcoin. So wow. I wish I had some of that. So right now, overall, we're seeing crypto markets are up 9%. That's 2.55 trillion market cap. We're seeing the dominance pretty much unchanged, but overall, we're seeing a nice pump today, a nice recovery after we had that big dump for most of the cryptos that we've been suffering with for the last 2 days. I mean, my portfolio is up almost like one Lamborghini right now from where it was like 2 days ago at the low. So I'm happy. Solana's up, still holding strong for the weekly. XRP is up. Cardano is up. Dogecoin is up 16.80%. Yeah, Doge. And we're going to be talking about some support and resistance for Doge. And how likely is it that we could see Doge getting 20 cents soon? So we're going to be talking about that. Much more. Bitcoin quarterly returns, 60% and 53% for Ethereum. Not too shabby, guys. Not too shabby. If you look at the monthly returns so far, 2024, hopefully I got there a year, right? We've been just doing very well. I mean, look at February. We closed 43% up. So far, March is up 11%. And just think about it. If you put your money in the bank, where are you going to get this kind of returns, guys? This kind of returns, 60% return? I don't think so, guys. So let's take a look at what's going on with the chart. So we did have this downward trend. This is when everything broke down and everything went nuts, right? So it looks like we are breaking out of this downward trend. We have this area of confluence here. We did get rejected here. We have broken above this downward trend, and Bitcoin is looking likely that it's probably going to retest the $69,000 area. And I think we're going to retest in the next 24 hours, and hopefully hopefully get ourselves back up to this all-time high of 73,573. So hopefully we can break the all-time high here. Let's just put that in. Let's put that in 73,000 right there. Let's break that all-time high. And that's our all-time high resistance right here. So let's make that line the purple rain line. So that's kind of where we're going to have to get up to. And from where we are now to where we need to go up only another 8%. So that's where we need to go, another 8%. I think that's very, very doable. 8% in Bitcoin terms is easy, guys. So if we take a look at the exchange flow, we are seeing that we did have some inflows to exchanges. Now we're seeing outflows again, so that's pretty positive. Positive. Don't forget to smash the likes, guys. Go down there, subscribe. And also, guys, show some support. I've got a link to my Dogecoin wallet. If you want to send a Dogecoin tippy our way, I appreciate 28 days to the next halving. So I believe that this last dump was the pre-halving dump. Looks like also BlackRock just filed with SEC to launch tokenization fund. So let's listen to what Larry Fink has to say about his tokenization of financial assets. Let's listen in.
We believe it's so important to be anticipating the next move. I would also say on the beginnings of a ETF Bitcoin, we believe ETFs are a technology no different than Bitcoin was a technology for asset storage. We believe the next step going forward will be the tokenization of financial assets. And that means every stock, every bond will have its own, basically, CUSIP.
Wow.
It'll be on one general ledger. Every investor, you and I, will have our own number, our own identification. We can rid ourselves of all issues around illicit activities around bonds and stocks and digital by having a tokenization. But the most importantly thing is customized strategies through tokenization that is every individual. We would have instantaneous settlement. Think about all the costs of settling bonds and stocks. But if you had a tokenization, everything would be immediate because it's just a line item. And so we believe this is a technological transformation for financial assets. I believe you want to talk about voting and voting choice and all the things.
So I think that the tokenization of all financial assets will lead to a bigger Dogecoin, a bigger Bitcoin, and it will revolutionize the financial system. And we're just getting started, guys. We're just getting started. So if you're in crypto now, you are at the beginning, guys. And guys, this is from Mags, and what he's talking about is he's talking about don't miss the bottoms and tops. And we can see that Bitcoin, don't miss the bottom again. Since 15,500, Bitcoin has experienced 4 pullbacks, ranging between 20 to 23%. And these pullbacks have happened here and here and here and here and here. Right now, we're about 18% for this pullback. But every time we have these pullbacks and experience these pullbacks, we often have a greater upside, guys. So each of these pullbacks has presented a perfect opportunity to accumulate more Bitcoin. And that's true. Currently, the price has dropped 18% from its recent all-time high of 73.8. If this pattern repeats, Bitcoin has already bottomed out and will bottom out soon. Don't miss it again, guys. So I think we've hit our bottom. We did hit our local bottom, and we're just going to be good continuing to go up, guys. So I think any Bitcoin right now below $73,000 is a bargain. That's just my opinion, not financial advice. And we can see here, excellent Bitcoin chart. And it's overlaying the ETF outflows and inflows. And you can see anytime we have outflows, we see a big dip, guys. So, guys, it's just a matter of time. We're seeing that Grayscale is GBTC. They've stopped their outflows, and they're going to stop that. So we're seeing more inflows to ETFs. So that's pretty good. And, guys, take a look at this. Take a look at 2017 here versus 2024. You can see anytime we hit this golden ratio, this 61.8 Fibonacci level here as well, we often have a nice climb to the upside. So we've had an all-time high. We had a price discovery. So every time we hit these all-time high after 61.8, we start to enter into price discovery mode. So that's where we are right now. Things are looking positive. And guys, once again, if you've got your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it off there, get it on a hardware wallet. And the only reason you need an exchange is to onboard, on-ramp, and off-ramp crypto. That's the only reason. But, if your assets are just sitting on an exchange, you are at risk. You're at risk of losing them in case the exchange goes bankrupt, guys. So move to a hardware wallet. Guys, this is a current path for Bitcoin pre-halving. we've had our 18% retracement, which is very close to the 19% pre-halving retracement in 2020. So if you take a look at 2020, we did have this retracement here, 19.56%. And here we're having pretty much the same thing, but then after that, we hit a double top, guys. So the patterns are looking pretty good, and I believe that there's more upside than downside, guys. Good news for Dogecoin. Let's talk about Dogecoin. Looks like breaking news. This is good. Coinbase Derivatives LLC has filed for 3 new crypto futures, including Dogecoin. So that is pretty good that we could see Dogecoin futures on Coinbase. So that is pretty good. That's going to allow more people to get involved with Doge, guys. So this is, it looks like Rec Capital has also been talking about Doge recently a lot. It looks like Doge tagged a macro downtrend here and as a support of yet another successful retest. So we did go up. We did retest the downward trend here. But if we continue to retest like this, we will likely proceed to trend and continue up, guys. So our next target for Dogecoin is 20 cents. So it's looking good, Like I said here, Dogecoin has, I spelled wrong, has broken above the 0.2, 0.3 support zone right here, guys. We are now on track to hit 20 cents. So I think 20 cents is just a matter of time. Titty time. So looking pretty good, as I did talk about that. The also here, guys, just keep in mind that it looks like SEC wants to classify Ethereum as a security after moving to proof of work to POS, guys, proof of stake. So the foundation is currently under investigation by Gary, my friend Gary out there. So yeah, so Ethereum, Dogecoin, nice pump, guys. Dogecoin's had a very, very nice pump, as you can see. We're doing pretty good, guys. Look, we went all the way from here. We are now up almost 22% from the local bottom. Wow. So if this continues, we'll break past 16 cents, which was our previous support. And then we've got to 18 cents and then 20 cents. So I think we'll blow past that. And, to go from where we are now to the next resistance level is only 5%. Then get ourselves up to the next resistance, 19%. And we can see ourselves going up 31% to hit 20 cents. So not too shabby. I mean, take a look at this candle, 18.46%. Wow, nice. So overall, we're seeing that market cap is up. We're still in the ninth spot, which is good. We're seeing the volume is up, so everything's looking lovely, jubbly out there. Looks like a Bitcoin soars as Dogecoin eyes gains on Shiba Inu preps for rise, guys. So, yeah, we're seeing that the Dogecoin has surged in value. It's up right now, so that is pretty good. It's up almost over like 17%. So I'm quite excited to where Doge is going right now, and I think things are going to go up, guys. It looks like Dogecoin moves 3% higher as Billy Marcus jokes, I literally invented all meme coins. So Billy Marcus said, send me all your SOL meme coins. I literally invented meme coins. So it's true. Billy Marcus really invented the real first meme out there. If we take a look at what's going on with Dogecoin right now, we're seeing that Dogecoin is mainly bullish from all signals. So that is good news out there, guys. So, guys, yeah, $1 Doge, it's confirmed. All you got to do is just freaking wait for it. I almost said a bad word out there, guys. So, looking pretty good. Ethereum, nice pump yesterday as well, up to 11%. Ethereum is sitting at $3,525. That is good. To get back up to $4,000, all we need to do is we need to go up around about 13%. So we're going to get there, guys. We're going to definitely get there, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a closey wozy. Go follow me on my Twitter, my X, whatever you want to call it. I'm still not used to calling X, guys. I like to call it Twitter. We've got 12,600 followers, so I appreciate it, guys. I absolutely appreciate all the love, all the support I'm getting from you guys. So I'll see you in the freaking next one, guys. Peace out.